Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about the blue light filter and how you can enable it on your iPhone. It is very simple, and back in the day when we were running something like iOS 8 or whatever, you didn't have the option that you have today. So what you were required to do is to get some kind of app like this one, which was like a software which you could get to your iPhone. You can also get it to your computer. It's just like a third-party one called f.lux, and it used to be available like back in the day as a jailbreak tweak. Now it doesn't really work that way anymore. I'm just mentioning it because we just moved on to this built-in version, but you can still have and use some like third-party apps available. So this is how it works. However, the built-in method you want to use for the blue light filter is basically the night shift. Night shift can be accessed from within the control center. So when you swipe down like this, you get into like this section, and every single one of you is going to have the brightness slider here, because you cannot even remove it. Everyone's going to have it. But when you hold down on it, instead of like sliding up and down, 3 more options are going to show up, including the dark mode, night shift, and true tone. And night shift is basically the blue light filter, because it's just called differently, but it just limits the blue light exposure. So this is something that you want. So you can turn it on from the control center right away. However, there are some customization options available in the settings. So just open up the settings like this, and I'm already inside. But if you're in the main section, you just have to just scroll down a bit more and go to the display and brightness section right there. So you can see night shift is here available. So just click on it, and I have it manually turned on until tomorrow, which is fine. However, you can also adjust the temperature. You can make it less or more warm, depending on the preference. Naturally, more warm is gonna be like more yellowish, much less blue. So if you really care about it, just slide it all the way to the right. And also, to make sure you don't forget about like turning it on, make sure that the scheduling is enabled as well. So when you have it scheduled, you can turn it on from like 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. or whatever time you decide in the slider here. But you can also just choose it to be automatic. So you just set it to from sunset to sunrise, meaning that even if you travel, doesn't matter where you are, when the sun sets, your iPhone is going to become yellow, limit the blue light, and you don't have to worry about anything. You just go with your day and your iPhone does everything for you. So this is probably the best option and the one I would recommend you to go with. So that's basically all the stuff that you need to know about night shift. However, there is so much more to your iPhone. For example, in the link below, you can find access to the Foxtecc educational platform for free. And there is, for example, a course on Dynamic Island. It's just the latest one I just put out. There's also a video editing guide, like full course for Adobe Rush. Everything you can watch there for free. So go ahead and join it right now. I'll wait for you inside. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys later in the next Foxtecc video.